Good morning, loves, and welcome to my morning routine, but quarantine edition. Even though this isn't our ideal state, I still try to stay productive and get up early. I do try to avoid going on my phone, but if I'm gonna be honest, that doesn't always work. After I checked my phone, I turned on my LED lights to a brighter setting and got out of bed. Then I decided to show you guys my PJs because I thought they were really cute today, even though they usually don't look like this. Since my goal is to stay in routine of things, I then decided to make my bed. I make my bed every single morning, despite if it looks good or not, even though in this video I tried to make it look perfect and with no wrinkles on the bed sheets. This did take me a while, but usually I just kind of throw my comforter over my pillows and put the pillows on just so it looks somewhat made and so I feel somewhat productive throughout my day. It kind of just helps me get my day off to a good and productive start. I headed to the bathroom and of course put my hair up before I did any of my bathroom routine. I obviously brushed my teeth. And after I brushed my teeth, I had to spit in the sink and I did not want you guys to see that, so I covered it. I rinsed off my toothbrush and then started to wash my hands. I do not like washing my face until my hands are super duper clean. After I washed my hands, I then started to wash my face. I love washing my face in the morning. I feel like it's just so satisfying and makes me feel really clean and kind of just like wakes me up. And this is me just showing you that there's soap on my face. And then I patted my face dry after I washed the soap off my face. If you guys are anything like me, my lips are always chapped, so whenever I wake up after I do my whole skincare routine and brush my teeth, I always put Vaseline on my lips because it just makes them feel a lot more put together. Then I headed downstairs and put on my moccasin slippers. My feet are always cold, so I like to wear them around my house, and then I headed to the kitchen. I opened my fridge and stared in it for approximately 10 minutes, but vlog time 2 seconds, and then decided what I wanted to eat for breakfast. I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. Today I decided to eat something healthy, so I just got grapes and some Cheerios, but usually I do eat pizza or pasta or whatever I really want for breakfast. I know some people are gonna agree with me on that, and then some people are gonna judge me for it, but comment down below if you ever ate pizza for breakfast. Today I just decided to eat without going on my phone. I do this occasionally just to kind of reset my mind and have a good start to my morning. I realize that this makes me more productive throughout my day. The more I stay off my phone in the morning, the more I realize that my day is more peaceful. After I'm done with breakfast, I head over to the pantry and take my Woman's One a Day vitamin. I take this every day and then have some water with it. I think it's really important to have at least half a glass of water in the morning, even though I usually drink a whole entire glass. Then I just put the vitamins back where I found them and continue drinking my glass of water because it kind of takes me a while in the morning just because it's hard for me. I don't really know why. My breakfast did not satisfy me to the best of its ability and I was really hungry, so I decided to make homemade pizza, kind of. I just got whole wheat pita bread and got some sauce and cheese and kind of made my own pizzas. I told you guys that sometimes I'll have pizza in the morning. Sometimes I'm healthy and sometimes I just eat whatever I want because especially during right now, I feel like you just have to treat yourself sometimes, which is fine. And it's whole wheat bread, so it's honestly not that bad for you. This is what they looked like before they went into the toaster oven, and oh my gosh, they looked so good. I put my toaster oven on a bake setting to 350 degrees and baked my pizza for about 8 minutes and then put it on toast so it got a little crispy. During the time they were in the oven, I went on my phone, and this is when I went on Pinterest. Pinterest is literally my favorite app right now. Follow me, it's in the description down below. I love making Pinterest boards and just looking at like visions for my future and everything that I aspire. Then I went on to Instagram and just kind of scrolled through the feed a little bit. I didn't stay on Instagram for too long today just because I didn't see anything really interesting. But then I went on YouTube and I watched Kenna Marie's video today. It was really good, definitely recommend it. She tried on all different outfits that we can wear after quarantine. She posted it last night, so I just wanted to catch up on her video, and then my pizza was ready. I took the pizza out of the toaster oven and then I decided to show you guys what they looked like. Oh my gosh, don't they look so good? I took a bite and it was really hot, but we got some really nice cheese pulls out of them. After I finished eating, I cleaned up the kitchen and walked upstairs. I then went on my YouTube studio and checked my stats. I don't really check my stats until after I get a good start to my morning because, again, I just feel like it helps me become more productive throughout my day when I stay off my electronics until I get a good start. I grabbed my school computer and started studying. I don't necessarily have classes on Thursdays because that's how I arrange my schedule, but I am a college student, as you guys know, and that means finals are coming up, so I just wanted to get my mind started ahead of the game and just start studying for finals. I'm not sure if you guys can tell by this footage, but I was very confused and was getting very frustrated because I didn't understand something for accounting. So then I decided to just show you guys everything I was studying and then took a break. I then decided to get changed to work out. I really wanted to go on a run today, but it was raining and then it started flurrying outside, so I just got my Apple Watch and went downstairs in my basement and did some weightlifting and some cardio-ish things, as in jumping jacks and jogging in place. And I'm going to try to run later today if it does stop raining, but it's really cold, so I guess we'll see on that part. After my workout, I took a shower, and this is where my morning routine ends. I am so thankful that you guys watched up to this point. If you did, please let me know down below in the comments by commenting an apple emoji. And I think I'm going to start doing shout outs at the end of my videos, so definitely let me know if that's something you guys are interested in. Please remember to like and subscribe, it really helps me out, and I appreciate all your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all.